Hey guys, welcome to another level 1 MCAT prep viewer question. This question here was sent to me through Facebook. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below or send it to me on my Facebook page. But without further ado, let's get started with this question. So what we've got here is, first we've got a equation that says n cubed minus p equals to m, and then we've got n squared over m equals to p, and then you've got to use these two to show that n equals 1 over p plus 1 over m. Now, here's the thing though. We want to have n by itself, right? I mean, that's what we're trying to do. And here we've got n squared, and here we've got n cubed. So we got to figure out a way to get rid of the n cubed and the n squared. So what we could do is, in this n squared equation, I'm going to rewrite this as n squared equals p times m, because when I cross multiply, it just becomes pm. And as for the n cubed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as n cubed, sorry, not n cubed, but rather n times n squared minus p equals to m. So all I've done is I've just split up n cubed as n times n squared. Now the reason I want to do this is because then what I could do is I could actually replace n squared with pm, and that's what I'm going to do. So I've got n multiplied by pm, because that's what n squared is equal to, minus p equals m. So now I've got n by itself, and so I need to figure out how to get from here to somewhere that it makes it look like this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the p. When I get rid of the p to the other side, it becomes m plus p. And then I need to get rid of the pm in the bracket, so I'm going to have m plus p divided by the bracket, which is pm. Alright, now once I have this, what I can then do is I can split up the fraction and rewrite it as m over pm plus p over pm. And the reason I can do that is, remember, if you have something like this, 3 plus 7 over, I don't know, 2, this is the same thing as saying 3 over 2 plus 7 over 2. So that's what I've done here. I've had the pm as the common denominator, and I've split them up into two separate fractions. And when I do this, what I can do is the two m's cancel out in the first fraction, and p's cancel out in the second fraction, and I'm left over with n is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over m. Alright guys, that's basically it for this short little question here. So just the only part you need to be careful about is this part right here, when you split up n and n squared, because once you split that up, the question is fairly straightforward after that. Alright guys, that's basically it for this video. As always, don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to keep up with the latest content. Thank you for watching.